Hello students, good morning. Let us start today's class on location of roots. Yesterday I explained a method that is a case number 8. Let us consider that is as a case number 7. Okay. Now based on this is the problem you have. Now we are going to discuss all the cases of location of roots and the problem based on that. Okay, please watch on. Now here find the k for which one root of the equation is greater than 2 and other root of the equation is less than 2. This is the question, and for this quadratic equation then is asking to find the value of k. How to find this one? Just simple. The question is simple. As yesterday I explained you, if a quadratic equation is there and this is a upwards parabola, alpha and beta are the roots and k lies in between, then what happened? K is less than of alpha and k is greater than of alpha and k is less than of beta. Means one root is k for which one root of the equation is greater than 2 and one root of the equation is less than 2. It means you get the graph in this way. Means the graph will be like this, alpha and beta, and 2 will be here. So in this case the alpha is less than 2 alpha is less than 2 and beta is greater than 2. So you get this 2 is a number which is greater than alpha and less than beta. That is what you have a condition. What is the condition yesterday I gave? A into f of k is less than 0 for this. Okay, this is the condition I gave. If you don't know, please watch yesterday's last lecture. This is the given condition. So there I explained how you got this. So A is what here? A is 1. So A is 1. F of k I required. F of k. K will be what? K is the number 2. So I can substitute here. So F of 2 is less than 0. It means that what is F of 2 here? 2 square is 4 minus k plus 1 times of 2 plus k square plus k minus 8 less than 0. Let us find the value of k. 4 minus 2k minus 2 plus k square plus k minus 8 less than 0. It means what I am getting here, k square, here I get minus k, and this is 8 plus 4 12, 12 minus 2 10, plus 10 is less than 0. Is it correct? What I get here? Minus 2k minus 2 plus, see here, that is 2 square is 4, 4 into minus 2k minus 2 plus k square plus k minus 8. That's it. So you got here 1k square and you have minus 2k plus k, that is k, and you have here 4 minus 8 minus 2. So minus 10 plus 4 is 6. So this is 6 less than 0. Now you have to find the factors of this. The factors of this will be 3 and 2. You know that is simply you can know 3 2s are 6. So k square minus 3k plus 2k plus 6 less than 0. That is, take k common, k minus 3 plus 2k common out. So it's not working here. Minus 3 plus 2. It should be have minus 6. So this is minus 6. Sorry. This is minus 6. So minus 10 plus 4 is minus 6. So this is minus 6. So you get here k minus 3 less than 0. That is k minus 3 into k plus 2. You get less than 0. It means I can take on the number line now. Number line minus infinity plus infinity. Zeros are marked here. What I am getting here? Minus 3. K minus 3. So if I mark on that number line, I am getting here the minus 2 and this 0 is 3. Plus minus plus. You know, right side start plus, next minus plus. Weber method, if you don't know, just go to my videos and watch the playlist of Weber method. And the signal is here negative, so the answer is k belongs to minus 2 comma 3 is the required answer. So the answer is k belongs to minus 2 comma 3. Now we will discuss the remaining all the conditions and the problems based on that. Okay, hope you understand. So let us see the case number 8. This is most important case which is asked in JEE Advanced also many times. Let's see here. When both roots lies between a fixed numbers, between two numbers k1 and k2. When both roots lies between fixed numbers, two constant number between k1 and k2. Let us take this diagram. So this is what you have, a parabola, and this is the x-axis. Okay, alpha and beta are the two roots. So for this both roots, one side is k1, one side is k2. So what happening here, both roots lies, this alpha and beta lies between k1 and k2, means alpha beta outside you have in k1 and k2. Okay, this is one way. Another way is this is a greater than 0 and this is for a less than 0, the downwards parabola k1 k2 outside of alpha and beta. And another way you can say take as alpha beta can be equal, if they be equal, alpha and beta are equal, and k1 k2 here, and here also k1 k2 and alpha is equal to beta. So downwards and upwards. This is a less than 0 and this is a greater than 0. This is the graph of this picture. Means what I want to say here, you have an x-axis and you have a y-axis. There is a parabola which is cutting x-axis and y-axis. There are two fixed numbers k1 and k2. Between these numbers alpha beta lies. The roots lies between k1 and k2. Then what are the necessary and sufficient conditions? The condition number 1 is, you can see here is discriminant greater than 0 and here is discriminant equal to 0. Whenever you have discriminant greater than 0, no need to take consideration. But you have greater than 0 equal to 0, you have to take consideration. So the condition number 1 is discriminant greater than or equal to 0. Let us go for second point. What is the second point here? A is greater than 0. This is a is greater than 0, is above the x-axis. F of k1, this is k1. So f of k1, if I substitute in this quadratic equation, I get above the x-axis, means this is positive. This is positive, and of f of k1 also positive. Positive into positive is positive. So that is the reason a into f of k1 is greater than 0. Okay, you can see in this case also, if a less than 0 and f of k1 will be below the x-axis, this is negative. Negative into negative is positive. So a into f of k1 is greater than 0 is the second condition. Another one is what here? This one is there and this is k2. k2 is here. So f of k2 will be, I will get this result. So this is positive and this is positive. Positive into positive is positive. So a into f of k2 will be greater than 0. And just see the vertex of the parabola. This is the vertex of the parabola, and the x value of this will be minus b by 2a comma minus d by 4. This is the vertex of the parabola. The x value is this, and this value lies between k1 and k2. So the necessary and sufficient condition is minus b by 2a lies between k1 and k2. So these are the four options you have to check when they have given both roots lies between a fixed numbers k1 and k2. Means the roots of a quadratic equations lies between two fixed numbers, then these are the conditions. Hope you understand. Based on this we will do the problem. We have discussed about the conditions of when the roots of a quadratic equations lies between two fixed numbers. Okay, so let us solve a problem on this. The problem is, if alpha beta lies between minus 6 and 1, find the k of this quadratic equation. That is the question. So these all you have to learn one by one. If you did not learn location of roots, go back and watch the videos. Okay, so let us see here what I have to do here. The condition number 1 I will apply. The condition number 1 is discriminant greater than or equal to 0. Here a is 1. If you compare this, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A is 1, b is 2 times of k minus 3 and c is 9. Now we are applying discriminant greater than or equal to 0. The condition will be discriminant, that is 2 times of k minus 3, that is b square minus 4 into a into c greater than or equal to 0. Now here 2 square value will be 4 into k minus 3 whole square minus 4 into 9 greater than or equal to 0. I just told you when I have only 2 letters, this 4 can be cancelled out. After taking, I can send that side 0 upon 4 will be 0. So here we will be getting k minus 3 whole square. Expand a minus b whole square formula. A square minus 2ab, 2 3 is a 6a, 6 2 3 is 6 plus 9 minus, and this is 9 greater than or equal to 0, and plus 9 minus 9 cancel out. So if I take k common, I get k minus 6 is greater than or equal to 0. This is a quadratic inequality you got. You know, as per the inequalities on the number line, you have to plot the zeros of this. One is 6 and one is 0. 0 of the k will be 0 is 0, k minus 6 is 6, and plus minus plus. According to here, the greatest symbol, that is positive and equal to symbol, so closed bracket. So the answer for the first case is k belongs to minus infinity. This is start from minus infinity is going to infinity. So minus infinity to 0, closed union, and this is 6 to infinity. This is what I am getting. This is the case number 1 I got. Okay, hope you understand the case number 1. From that I got the k value is this. Now let us go for the case number 2, that is a is 1 into f of k1 is minus 6, that is greater than 0. This is the case number 2 we are applying. Now minus 6, if I substitute here, 6 square is 36 plus 2 times of k minus 3 into minus 6 and plus 9 is greater than 0 as per this rule. So what I am going to get here, 36 plus 2k, and this is simple. You do one thing, the simple logic you can apply it. This is minus into plus is minus, 6 to the 12 into k minus 3 plus 9 is greater than 0. So what I can get here, 36 minus 12k minus 12 3 is a minus into minus plus, and 36 plus 9 is greater than 0. Hope you understand here. The minus is here, the minus hits the minus into minus is plus, and 12 3 is 36. So you got here minus 12k, 36 plus 36 is 72 plus 9 is greater than 0. 72 plus 9, that is 81. You know that is 81. So what we can write as 81 minus 12k is greater than 0. Hope you understand this thing. So minus 12k is greater than minus 81. Multiply with the negative sign, and then you get as 12k is less than 81. So the value of k is becoming what here? The value of k is the case number 2 is showing here. I am just writing here. The value of k is showing that is k is less than 81 by 12. And it will be cancelled in 3 table. Hope you understand. So 3 table, 3 2s are 3 7s are 27 times, and 3 table 4 times. The k value will be less than 27 by 4. This is the case number 2 says. Now we have to find all the cases, and then we have to finalize the answer. The case number 3 also we have to do. So let us do one by one. So case number 1 you understood. Do the screenshot of this and let me explain here. The case number 1 answer I already have, so I will just erase this. Now case number 2 already I have, so just I will keep the answer and rest I will erase. Okay, now just see the case number 3 and 4. Let's go for the case number 3 and 4. This is the case number 2. Okay. Now what I got here, the case number 2 is a into f of k, that is a into a, that is 1 into f of 1 is greater than 0. If you apply there f of 1 there, 1 square is 1 plus 2 into k minus 3 times of 1 plus 9. Where I am substituting? I am substituting in the place of x is 1. So what I am getting here, this I am going to get here 1 plus 2k minus 6 plus 9 greater than 0. Here I am going to get here 9 plus 1 10, and 10 minus 6 is plus 4. So 2k plus 4 greater than 0. That is 2k is greater than minus 4, k is greater than minus 2. This is what I am getting, option 3. Now go for the case number 4. What is the case number 4 here? Case number 4 is minus b by 2a lies between, minus b by 2a lies between, one is minus 6 and is plus 1. So minus b by a is what? What is minus b by a? That is b value is your, you can see that this is b value, that is minus of 2 times of k minus 3. This is the b value, divided by 2 into a value is 1. So you know this 2 cancel out. So what is left here? Minus of minus 6 in the between of minus into k, minus into minus plus 3 in between 1. I have to find the value of k, so 3 send this side, k 3 send this side, plus 3 transfer this side, I will get minus 3, plus 3 transfer this side, I will get minus 3. As per the mathematics, what we do here, adding minus 3 here, all the places, not transferring that. So minus 3, if I add all this place, I get minus 9 less than minus k is less than, and minus 3, that is 1 minus 3 is minus 2. And you have a minus symbol, and whenever you have minus symbol, you have to multiply the negative number. Whenever you multiply with the negative number, the inequality changes. So I get k greater than 2 and greater than 9. This is the way we get. It means what here? 2 is shifting here, 9 is shifting there. So I get as k is in between of 9 and 2. That is, k is in between of 2 and 9. That's what I am getting. Now I got all the 3 cases, let us 4 cases, and let's just intersect these all. The intersection of all these 4 is your final answer. That is the final answer. The intersection of all these cases will be the final answer. Let us substitute all these cases right now. The thing is, in the first case, minus 0 and 6. Let's plot the points. And 0 here, and the plus 6. Let us take the plus 6 here. And in this case here, 27 by 4, if you divide here, 27, 7 4s are 28, 7 4s are 28. So this is 3 point something, okay, 7 4s are 28, means 6 point something. This is 6 point something, that is more than 6. This is 6. If I take here, I get next one is 27 by 4. It is more than 6 point something, okay. So that is later. And then here from this side is minus 2. So minus 2 will be here somewhere, and you have k value plus 2. Plus 2 let us take somewhere here, and the 0 let us take here, okay. And plus 9, it means here somewhere, and it is going infinity, okay. This is going infinity, okay. Now we'll find the answer for this, okay. Let us see the intersection, how we'll deal here. Intersection, the first case I'll write it. The case 1 I am going to write, then we'll do one by one, okay. Hope you understand. The case number 1 is here, minus infinity to 0, minus infinity to 0 and closed bracket, okay, this is closed, and 6 to infinity, and 6 is closed and going to infinity. This is the first case. And the second one is what here, less than of this, and less than means this is a hollow circle, and less than of this, okay. This is second one. And third one is what here, k greater than minus 2, minus 2 here and greater than, this is what you have, case number this one. And case number 4 is what here, 2 and 4 between, 2 and 9 between, 2 here and 9 here, it is between. Now you can see all 4 were there. This is 3, 3 no, 3 no, 4, 4 is coming here. This is 4 is coming, and 6 is included, here also included, here also included. And then see the next is here. So the value of k will be, k belongs to, what is the answer here? 6 comma, and 6 is closed. 6 is closed comma, 27 by 4 is the answer. And here it is open here. So that is the reason you have to open this one. So this is the way to deal the question. These are the questions like mains and advanced level. So this case number 8 we finished. Let us go for the case number 9.